Hey y'all, I have a package that we are going to do an honest review of, and I'm super excited. I figured we would do kind of like an OOTD while I get ready to go to one of my friends, but this package is from Busties. They do boob tape and nipple covers and all of that. So let's open it. So this is what it looks like. These are the nipple covers. Once again, it's Busties. And these will be linked on my Amazon storefront. Like I said, I'm going to do an honest review. This is the breast tape kit. We are going to try the nipple covers today. I don't know if I'm even allowed to say that word on TikTok, so if this gets taken down, we'll have to do it again. Alright, so these are what they look like, and as you guys know, I've talked on here before that I have found nothing so far, because I am bigger chested, that works like this, so I'm super excited to try these out. Okay, so this Skims top is one of my favorites, but I have my hands here for a reason because you can see things. So this will be the perfect top to do an honest review with these guys. Let me put them on. Alright, well, they do work. Here's your proof. I don't have to put my fingers over them. You can kind of see the color in this top specifically, but they're covering everything. You can't see anything, so let's try them in another top as well. Okay, so this top is a top that you can usually see the girls when it's cold, and I did a little test, and you cannot see them with these on. So, let me get a little closer. Yeah, kind of looks like I'm wearing a bra with this shirt. So once again, the brand is Busties. I will link it on my Amazon storefront if you click the link in my bio. First impressions, super easy application. They clearly work because usually I have to wear a bra with this shirt and I'm not wearing one. So 10 out of 10 for the covers.